Renault Austral E-Tech. Basically the successor to the Renault Kadjar. And I think this is quite a worthy successor. This is a hybrid, by the way, but I think it just looks absolutely amazing with these LEDs, with the blinkers, with this color as well. It's sort of quasi matte color, quasi glossy. It looks fantastic. Under the hood, you thus have an engine and a motor. So you've got a 1.2 liter 3-cylinder gas engine with 96 kilowatts. And then of course you also have an electric motor with 31 kilowatts to help it along. So not a small amount of power. And you also have a small battery which helps with the whole hybrid system. You're not really going to do a lot of kilometers with the battery alone, but it does also fill up pretty fast. When we were going uphill, it was practically flat, and then after about a minute of going downhill, it was practically at 75%.
Austral offers a mild as well as a full hybrid. The mild one uses a 1.3 liter engine, while the full one this 3-cylinder one.
Well, I know that the car is a bit dirty. I know we're not supposed to do that when we record it, but unfortunately it's this time of the year, and where we picked it up, because we only have it for a few hours, it was really foggy, not very nice. So we had to get up here where it's sunny, but of course up here, well, it's muddy and horrible, and this is what your car will look like in the winter. Anyway, electric opening of the trunk, and there's a bit of space in there, but surprisingly less space than in the Mazda 3 sedan that we came here in, which is surprising. So this was a bit of a Tetris game here, trying to get everything in. Also, this is a hybrid, but it's not a plug-in hybrid, which means that on the right here you only have a port for gas, not for electricity. In the rear, you've got plenty of space, I would say. This is my position, and there's quite a bit leg room. You also have 2 USB-C ports, you've got ventilation, and you've got this big panoramic roof, which is nice, but you can only really close the curtain, I suppose. I can't remember the word right now. The roof itself does not open. Behind the steering wheel, in the driver's position, it's a little bit more futuristic, because you've got this sort of non-circular steering wheel, which is also heated, by the way. You've got the digital instrument cluster, which can be customized a bit. You've got the infotainment screen over here in the center, which is nice because it's actually part of the dashboard instead of a monitor jutting out in the middle. You've got Harman Kardon sound system. You have some really nice surfaces on the dashboard, which I think are going to get dirty quite quickly. And this interesting center console, which can be moved back and forth, and it also serves as the charge port for your phone. You'll have 2 USB-C ports over there. The only thing I don't really like is the floor on both sides. If you want to have your, especially the passenger, if you want to have your feet right here at the back, it's not going to be very comfortable because the floor is not level. It actually goes up towards the seat. So
the mild hybrid Austral starts at 28,000 euros, the full hybrid at just over 38,000. For the fully equipped model, you'll pay a bit over 48,000 euros.